Embarking on a journey is not just about where you go, but also how you get there. And that begins with packing. Welcome back to the next exciting phase of your travel planning adventure. Whether you're a light packer or someone who wants to bring a little bit of everything, this step is for you. It's about balancing what you need with what you want and ensuring every item has its place and purpose. From rolling clothes to maximizing space, to selecting versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, packing smart can turn into an enjoyable part of your travel preparation. It's not just about filling a suitcase, it's about gearing up for the adventure that awaits. Are you ready? Let's begin. In our last video, we gathered together the essential documents necessary to ensure that everything's in order for your upcoming adventure. Packing can be like a game of Tetris, but with the right strategy, you can pack smart and travel light. Let us begin to unpack the next part of our travel series. Regardless if you're a first-time traveler, family adventure planner, or a jet-setting veteran, packing for travel requires planning. And it all starts with your luggage. From suitcases to duffels, weekenders to backpacks, and totes to trunks, the options are limitless. Choosing the right type of luggage really comes down to knowing the pros and cons. By evaluating your destination, activities, and budget, you can narrow your decision to what works best for you. Independent luggage reviews from other travelers can help if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. When it comes to packing smart, start with the essentials based on your itinerary. This could be an adjustable swimsuit for the beach, a sturdy pair of boots for hiking, comfy joggers and a light jacket for outdoor adventures, or a belt bag to safely carry your essentials. Versatility is your best option. Travel-sized toiletries, multi-purpose devices, and compact first aid kits are always your best friends. These small items can make a huge difference in travel convenience. Be weather-wise. A quick check of your destination's weather forecast can save you from some serious packing regret. Always be prepared for a change in the weather, because Mother Nature can be full of surprises. Space-saving hacks are a game changer. Roll, don't fold. Use packing cubes or compression bags. Strategize when packing items. These little hacks not only save space, but also keep your suitcase organized and all of your belongings easily accessible. Here are a couple of pro tips for traveling abroad. Use secured luggage tags, locks, and trackers in case of lost luggage. Bring a universal adapter and portable power bank for your devices. Carry a secured travel wallet that you can wear under your clothes. And research and wear comfy socks when traveling to ease through airport security. Now let's not forget about capturing all of the magical moments. Packing a lightweight camera or cell phone for photos. a journal to jot down your adventures, and leaving a little extra space for treasures along the way. After all, the memories are your best souvenirs. With your bags packed and ready to go, you're one step closer to your journey ahead. With every item in its place, your mind can be at ease, leaving you free to fully immerse yourself in every experience. Remember, the essence of a great journey isn't just about the sights you see, it's also about the simplicity of carrying the things that truly mattered most to you and mastering the art of packing with purpose. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.